You just had the misfortune of leaving your wallet at a restaurant with all of your credit cards, identification cards, and your Social Security card. And you are going to be applying for employment soon, and you know you're going to need a Social Security card. Hello, I'm Robert Todd, and I'm here to answer the question, how to replace a Social Security card. Well, perhaps the best place to start is by calling the Social Security Administration at 1-800-772-1213 and asking them to send you an application. Or, if you are computer savvy, go to the Social Security Administration website on the internet and download an application. At the very least, when you submit this application to either a Social Security card center or a Social Security local office in your local area, you're going to need to present the completed application and some form of identification. Generally, a driver's license will work. A birth certificate will not work. I'm Robert Todd, and thank you for watching.